Hello students, my name is Arnab Kumar Datta. This is the third YouTube tutorial video of the series of educational videos as I promise you to make on NCERT mathematics, which is completely free to you. As a new one, I have to finish my video within 15 minutes, so I have randomly taken a sum from your book from the exercise 2.4 question number 5, which says that Subhu's mother's present age is 6 times Subhu's present age. Subhu's age 5 years from now will be 1/3 of his mother's present age. What are their present ages? So that means before you go to solve this question, you just keenly observe what the question is going to ask you. So keep attention on the first line. Subhu's mother's present age is 6 times Subhu's present age. That means if we take Subhu's present age to be x years, then according to the first part of the question, Subhu's mother's age will be 6x, 6 times given 6x years. So second part of the question is Subhu's age 5 years from now will be 1/3 of his mother's present age. This is the important part from which we will create the linear equation. So this is the important part, and what the second line says, you just keenly observe. Subhu's age 5 years from now. That means if we take the present age of Subhu to be x, then definitely after 5 years it will be x plus 5 years. Before 5 years it would have been x minus 5 years. So according to the second part, what the question says, it will be after Subhu's age 5 years from now. So that means if the present age of Subhu is x years, then after 5 years it will be x plus 5 years, and Subhu's age 5 years from now will be 1/3 of his mother's present age. So if we what will be the Subhu's mother's present age? If we take the present age of Subhu to be x, then definitely it will be 6x years. The present age of his mother will be 6x years according to the first part of the question. So we have to find out the present ages of both of them. Let us solve the question. You just write in this way. Let the present age of Subhu is equal to x years. Therefore the present age of Subhu's mother is equal to, according to the first part of the question, 6 times. So it will be 6x years. 6x years. Now keep attention to the second part of the question, from which we are going to form the linear equation and from which we will find out the value of x. Therefore, according to the question, Subhu's age 5 years from now will be, according to the question, we took the present age of Subhu to be x years. So x plus, after 5 years, Subhu's age will be x plus 5 years. Definitely will increase. X plus 5 years plus Subhu's will be one third of his mother's present age. So x plus 5 is equal to one third of his mother's present age. We took Subhu's mother's present age to be 6x years. So x plus 5 is equal to one third, within bracket you write 6x. So 6x is the present age of Subhu's mother. So this is the linear equation formed according to the second part of the question. Subhu's age 5 years from now will be one third of his mother's present age. Mother's present age is 6 years. So this is the required linear equation from which we will find out the value of x. So this implies x plus 5 is equal to 1 by 3 into 6x. Now do multiplication here. 3 to the 6. This implies x plus 5 is equal to twice x. Therefore, x equal to, if we transpose this x to the right hand side, you will get x is equal to 5. Therefore, the present age of Subhu is equal to, in place of x you just write 5 years, and the present age of Subhu's mother is equal to 6 into 5. In place of x you just write 5. 6 into 5 years. 6 into 5 years, which is equal to 30 yes. Click yes. So this is the answer. Write in this way. It will spare a little bit time. So the sum has been solved. So that's all for today. I will expect your kind likes, dislikes, comments, subscriptions, and clicking on the bell icon. You can also follow me on Instagram. The link has been given in the description. You can also use my Amazon affiliate link. The link is given in the description, and you can buy anything you want from Amazon. No matter, no difference, same price. Thank you.